I got the thing assembled, the computer's turned on, nothing caught on fire. So we're going to run one of the test programs now that I figured out how to jog the thing back and forth, kind of just see what it does. I haven't figured out how to jog the Z-axis yet, because that's on this little screw type thing. So yeah, let's hit the test. So here you can jog it around, left, right, forward, backwards. Where is the Z-jog? I don't know. Let's go back to our 0 position and cycle start. So that's pretty neat, not too bad. I still got a lot of other things to test electronics wise, like this, torch height controller, the plasma controls. I still gotta paint the water table, put the drain plugs in the water table before I paint it, wire up my air compressor, wire up my air lines. We're still a long ways off, but I'm happy to be getting back to the project after building my deck, which I guess I should have made videos about that, but that takes too much time to film everything. So yeah, that's the progress that we made tonight. Not too shabby.